Grilled lemon herb salmon. Indulge in the delightful flavors of grilled lemon herb salmon, a dish that combines the freshness of citrus with the aromatic essence of herbs. This recipe will leave you craving for more, with its tender and succulent salmon fillets infused with zesty lemon and fragrant herbs. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh dill, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Begin by preparing the marinade. In a small bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon, olive oil, minced garlic, chopped dill, parsley, and thyme. Mix well to incorporate the flavors. Place the salmon fillets on a large plate or shallow dish. Season them with salt and pepper. Pour the marinade over the salmon fillets, ensuring they are evenly coated. Let the fillets marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate the fish. While the salmon is marinating, slice the remaining lemon into thin rounds. Once the grill is hot, lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place the marinated salmon fillets on the grill, along with the lemon slices. Grill the salmon for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the fillets. Be careful not to overcook the fish, as it can become dry. The salmon is ready when it flakes easily with a fork and has a slightly charred appearance. As you grill the salmon, flip the lemon slices to allow them to release their juices and develop grill marks. Once cooked, transfer the grilled salmon fillets to a serving platter. Squeeze the grilled lemon slices over the salmon to release their vibrant citrus flavor. Garnish the salmon with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as dill and parsley, for an added burst of freshness. Serve the grilled lemon herb salmon alongside your favorite side dishes, such as roasted vegetables or a refreshing salad. The combination of the smoky grilled flavors, tangy lemon, and aromatic herbs will create a truly memorable dining experience. Enjoy this mouth-watering dish and savor the exquisite taste of perfectly grilled lemon herb salmon.